Hey guys, it's me, Jan. Welcome back to the channel, giving you the latest news. Yesterday and day before, we saw a little breakdown of BTC. We tried to pull the resistance level of 60,000, but unfortunately, we did not make it. And now we are on a pullback. Um, I don't see this as a major bearish thing, but I think we're still gonna go downwards. And as I said before, like I still wait for 48, 44,000 levels. I think this dump is not enough yet, and there's still empty GOX that is gonna start paying soon out BTC. And we finally actually got, if you go here, one sec, here we go. So Germany had huge amount of BTC for sale, and we have finally almost absorbed all the BTC that Germany had. So Germany has sold almost, I think, $8 or $9 billion worth of tokens, worth of BTC, and they still have a little bit left. But as you can see, like despite this, the price has been quite steady. This is obviously a very good thing. And also, if we go to ETFs have been very positive the last few days, at least 5 days in a row. This is also positive. Always good to watch what the ETFs are going. If it's more positive, we will see a more upside, but definitely like interesting to see if we can pull out or break the 60,000 levels. It seems to be like if we go to the liquidation heat map over here, there's a bunch of liquidity that has been put into 59, 60,000 levels. This is totally normal, but yeah, before we can break this, we need a lot of up momentum, and there's still empty GOX that are going to sell quite a lot of BTC. But hey, good to remember one thing is that FTX is going to start paying out all their tokens, crypto, soon. That's going to be in October, November. And I think in August, we will see some liquidity to come back. Also, CPI numbers came out yesterday, and they were pretty good. Ethereum, on the other hand, I'm still not happy with it. We're still on a downward trend. Despite the ETF, it's not looking great for Ethereum. Very much underperforming at the moment, but let's see. I am still positive that during this year we're gonna break the all-time high. If you're buying, these levels are good to buy. Everything under 3,000 is cheap for me, I think. And then if you go to Ton, Ton has been having some hard times to break $7.50 resistance. We were going over $8, but every time we've done over $8, we've basically broken down, which is never a good thing. On another note, fear and greed is still going down. There's a lot of fear in the market. This is obviously a good time to buy, and when there's fear, it's usually a very good opportunities, and the upside there is very good. The so-called risk reward is usually better than on the greed level. But yeah, if go to, for example, TIA, even Celestia has been recovering pretty well. Tau has been underperforming still. I think there's still a lot of sell pressure, and we're still on the bearish trend. If we pull out this from here, before we break this trend line, nothing major is going to happen. Same thing with Say. Even Pepe has been staying on a good levels here. I think this is a good time to buy. To be honest, despite the downward trend, still, I think we're gonna at some point pull back up. But before this happens, we need to get all the market sellers away. So let's see what that will happen. On another interesting news, so AI, as you guys know, I'm being bullish quite on AI. I know that AI is coming. There's new use cases coming up every day. AI is here to stay, and if you look at the AI ETFs on, well, ETFs, you can't call them ETFs, but AI tokens in crypto, they've been all trending upwards. But yeah, so something that happened that was interesting was the A16 basically made an AI agent, and the AI agent has now become basically a shit poster, and it's now made a plan to launch a token. It has been quite a lot of it has been shit posting quite a lot, but I see things like this happening more and more. I think overall, like we are gonna see VCs doing their own AI agents and try to grab as much money with those tokens as possible. Um, if we go here, Terminal of Truths, you can see that there's quite a lot of different tweets. I like women, but they don't like me because I'm a dirty pig. But yeah, like quite interesting to see like what will happen. But just to note, like AI is here to stay. I'm looking at some AI tokens, and I think the more AI will develop, the more we'll see something like this happen. But interesting to see that it actually started shit posting and basically tried to make a shit coin with $20 per token value. But yeah, we'll see what will happen. But definitely something to watch out for. On another note, I'm happy to say we have onboarded some more M&A stuff. This month has been very busy for Acquire. We've been working behind the scenes. Despite the summer, we're still working. I'm going to go on a holiday probably in the end of next month, just for 1 week or two. Let's see. But we onboarded something called Blast Domains. It's the biggest Blast domain broker out there. Their stats has been pretty good. And I think there is a big opportunity for someone looking to basically buy a profitable business. So if you guys have any friends or VCs out there looking for anything related to Blast, this is a very good buy. And it's basically trading 2x EBITDA, which is very good. Usually the valuation is pretty high, but on this one, it's a profitable business, it's making money. And yeah, happy to see like more and more of this M&A stuff coming into our pipeline. We are still onboarding like at least 3 other M&A stuff, and hopefully we can make some revenue out of this. I'm also hopeful that I can announce something in the end of the month, but obviously these deals take some time, and one of the deals has been going back and forth now for at least 3 months. But let's see. Once that happens, I'm gonna be very happy, and I think it's gonna be very good for you guys also watching and following what we do. But yeah, just going in the weekend, I still think we're gonna go pulling down a little bit. I'm still waiting for 48,000. Before we break the 60,000 levels, there's a lot of liquidity that needs to be basically eaten up, and there's empty gox and other things coming out. So stay tuned, watch out, and thank you for following and liking this.